More Canadian exclusive content on the Prokotaco Show coming up right now.
The Prokotaco Show.
What's going on, you guys? Prokotaco here with the Prokotaco Show, and on this show we open up packs and boxes of hockey cards. Today's episode features a Canadian exclusive blaster box. This blaster box of Series 1 hockey cards from the 16-17 season comes with 8 cards per pack, 11 packs per box. However, one of those packs is the Canadian Team Triples bonus pack. So you can only get these in Canada. I ordered this one off of ZephyrEpic.com. So let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. There we go. So as you can see, the box has been emptied. We'll put that to the side for now. Here's our bonus pack. And then we should have our 10 Series 1 packs. So let's start off with the bonus pack and see which team triples we get here today. Okay, so we have one for the Calgary Flames, Oliver Hillington, Sam Bennett, and Hunter Shrinkaruk. And then the Vancouver Canucks, Daniel Sedin, Hendrik Sedin, and Alexander Edler. So 2 cards in that pack. And now let's get on with the show. Pack number 1 of Series 1. See a young gun in this one. Dougie Hamilton, Jonathan Ericsson, Leo Komarov, Sam Bennett, and Austin Cesarnik. My heart almost freaking dropped when I saw Austin in the bottom left corner. So Austin Cesarnik Young Guns card for the Boston Bruins. Ben Bishop, Cam Ward, and Jeff Skinner. So pack number 2. Brendan Gallagher, Ryan Kessler, Matthias Ekholm, Robbie Fabry, Devin Dubnyk, Peter Holland, TJ Brody, and Cam Talbot. All base pack. Ben Mapulio, Alice Hemsky, Gabriel Landeskog, Nicholas Backstrom, and we have a Shining Stars insert of Corey Schneider. Regular version. Vincent Trocheck, Jordan Martinuk, and Matt Bolesky. Bolesky, yeah, Bolesky. Alright, Dustin Byfuglien, Aaron Ekblad, Anders Lee, Geoffrey Lupul, and a UD portrait of Alexander Barkov, Cam Fowler, Ryan Getzlav, and Mark Stone. Calvin DeHaan, Jake Allen, Matt Zuccarello, Tyler Bozak, and a UD canvas of Carl Hagelin. Carl Hagelin there, UD canvas. Cody Eakin, Jerome Iginla, and Alexander Burmistrov. Next pack starts off with Erik Karlsson, Justin Falk, Andre Burakovsky, Boone Jenner, Jason Pominville, Victor Hedman, Shane Gostisbehere, and Ryan Suter. All base pack there. Ooh, there's a thick card in here. Thought I saw that with the corner of my eye. Andrew Cogliano, Kevin Bieksa, and a Upper Deck game jersey of Jeff Skinner. Very nice. Carl Hagelin, Claude Giroux, and Ryan Callahan. 3 more packs to go here with this box, guys. Should be getting at least 1 more Young Gun. Jimmy Hayes, Wayne Simmons, Kyle Turris, Andre Palat, UD Portraits of Joe Thornton, Jenna Hansen, Derek Stepan, and Kyle Clifford. Tyler Johnson, Sean Couturier, Nino Niederreiter, Thomas Tatar, and the UD canvas of Jake Allen. Will Draisaitl, Francois Beauchemin, and Darnell Nurse. So we have a hot pack. Should have a Young Gun in here, since we have only pulled 1 so far. Carl Alsner, Mark Scheifele, Pecorine, Josh Gorges, and Matthew Tkachuk. Nice. I don't have this Young Guns card. Matthew Tkachuk, Young Guns. Very nice way to end off our break here. Andres Kara, Mark Giordano, and Justin Applicator. So that concludes our break of another Canadian exclusive Upper Deck Series 1 blaster box. So if you haven't checked out the other videos, make sure to check those out. But before I let you guys go, I'm going to do a quick insert recap for you guys. Start off with the Upper Deck portrait cards. So we have Joe Thornton and Alexander Barkov. We got 1 Shining Stars card. This is of Corey Schneider. Then we got 2 Upper Deck canvas cards, one featuring Jake Allen and the other Carl Hagelin. We got a nice UD game jersey of Jeff Skinner, and 2 Young Guns cards, one of Matthew Tkachuk and the other of Austin Cesarnik. So that concludes our break for real this time. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed that episode, make sure to click that like button, as that really helps me out and lets me know to keep making more episodes. If you haven't subbed yet, make sure you click that subscribe button, as that helps me out too, and you won't miss out on any new content that we post. Alright guys, so thank you for watching, and until next time, peace out. Prokotaco.
Thanks for watching. To watch another episode, click one of the rectangles. Make sure you check me out on Twitter, Instagram, and now Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. I know you want to click that button.